Welcome. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create the for loop in Python program. The for loop is used to repeat things over and over. So in this case we are going to learn the basic structure of the for loop. For a for loop, it has to start with the keyword for, then followed by the variable name. Maybe in our case we can have for I in range. We indicate the range within which we want to repeat something. Maybe we can have a range of 5. Then the line of code with the for keyword should end with a colon. Then when you hit enter, by default the program is going to indent the next line of code. So that is, when we hit enter, the next line of code is indented. This line of code simply includes the statements that need to be repeated. If the statement is not indented, then it is not going to be repeated. So you have to make sure that the next line of code is indented. So maybe in this case we can print I. We want to print I within the range of 0 to 5. So if we run the program, then we are going to repeat those, to print those items. So let's run the program. So this is what we have done. We have repeated or iterated over within the range of 0 to 4. We do not have a 5 because the range function does not include the 5. In this case, in our case, it does not include the 5. Or in other words, the range function does not include the upper bound. So that's why it does not include 5 in our case, but it is started from 0 through to 4. If we want to include a 5, then maybe we would have included a 6, used a 6 instead of a 5. So if we were to run the program, in this case we have a 5 because we have added 6 within the range. So this is how you go about it when you want to repeat things over and over in the Python program. Thank you, and please remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel.